Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad to have you here in my channel today, where you will enjoy watching me making different and beautiful DIYs for home decoration. In today's video, I am a part of another collaboration called Power Up Collab to inspire people and encourage women using these power tools and show them how it's easy to use these tools. This collaboration is hosted by Sarah from Kansai DIY channel and T from Broke Girl Aesthetic. There are links in the description box below to take you to these two hot channels and the playlist channels as well. I hope you will check out all these channels because there is a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card. What you have to do is to comment in each one's video the secret word, which will be given a little bit later in their videos. Also, my secret word will be said and shown later on in my video. Just keep watching to the end. Let's get started now. For the first project, I have been using these two wooden spoon and fork to show you how to make DIY wood burning spoons for the kitchen decoration. And this time I'm adding a piece of leather to share with you a cute way to use my burning tool on a leather. My leather is fairly inexpensive. I got it from home. I lost my second pair of flip-flop leather, so I'm using it today. You can get yours from Michael's, it's not expensive too. I'm sending out this piece of wood and this two wooden spoon and fork, and I choose one tip. Stamp tip looks like cylinder shape, so I'm using also this stick as a scrap piece of wood to check my tool or practicing this piece before my final look. So I'm shaping now a flower on my fork all along this fork and my spoon too. I'm pressing hard with this stamp. I'm switching to another tip. It's pen tip to make a wiggly line with this flower and like small branches, and another tip, it's leaf tip, make leaves. I'm checking first on the stick first, make sure that it's hot and the shape is the right one. I'm pressing hard so to get this shape. So beautiful, look at that. Then I'm going back to another tip, like 21. It's pen tip, the same one that I use for the wiggly line, just to make points or dots all around this design. Now with this piece of leather, I glue all around with my hot glue this ribbon, and I grab my stamp letters to spell Eat Healthy using my wood burning tool, and I'm switching these letters using my plier. It's important because it's very hot, so I'm using these letters to spell these words. Eat healthy. With the leather, we don't have to press hard with this wood burning tool because it's gonna ruin the leather. Just lightly put it on the top and remove it right away. With this stencil, letter stencil, I'm using them to spell eat, so I'm gonna put them in the middle of this piece of wood and paint with my white chalk paint. These letter stencils are washable and reusable. You can use them for any sign that you want to spell, like on canvas, on wood, on boards. And this one is really cute. I see they have shapes. These letters have design. As you see, I think it's flowers. So now, as you see, I remove this stencil. I have to wash them right away to save them. And I have heartbeats. I paint them white another stick. This is paint stick. I stain it first, then I glue these half beads all around on the top and the two sides. I glue these pockets, the leather pockets on the bottom. I'm using this clear wax for wood to protect my wood, and it gives a beautiful polish finish too. I'm adding some stickers from Dollar Tree, Farmhouse stickers, and I'm making this bow. Glue it with my hot glue on the corner. Cutting this tail bow, attaching all together on the middle with my ziplock, and glue it on the corner of my project. Okay, let's see the final look. Almost done. Look at that. It's not gorgeous? This is my final look. What do you think, guys? For the second DIY, I have been using a piece of wood like the first project as a frame for this project. And I'm using this stencil, pretty stencil that I got from Michael's. It says, love a good coffee. So since I love coffee, so I'm gonna use it for my kitchen decoration. I'm painting with the black paint, and voila, look, it's cute, right? And this crate, I got it from Dollar Tree. I stained it on the top, and at the bottom I left in the middle, I left it clear, so to stamp my words with my letter stamps, wood letter stamps, to say I love coffee. I spell this word by using this letter stamps, with hot stamps, and I painted these half beads to decorate my project. And this stick or paint stick, I stain it and I'm gonna glue it on the top. I'm gluing my crate on the bottom. So this piece to hold my coffee capsules inside. My secret word is wood burning tool. Is my power tool that I'm using for this collab. It's very fun tool, easy, and you can make a bunch of DIYs with this tool. Just be creative. These half beads, I paint some black and some stain them with brown stain. Now I'm making a messy bow or crisscross bow with these strips of ribbon, buffalo check ribbon, and with the same piece of this piece of ribbon, I'm going to go underneath and tie it in the middle to make a bow. I love how these two farmhouse DIYs turned out. How cute are these projects? Let me know in the comment below which one is your best, which one is your favorite. Don't forget my secret word and other amazing crafts in the playlist as well. Thank you so much for watching, for your subscription, for all your likes, your comments, and don't forget to check out the playlist links in my description box below. See you soon and take care. Bye.